All right, I'm going to start ripping because it's going to be a few minutes. We're going to go ahead and get all the cards out. Plug in my phone. There we go. All right, 3 boxes of 2016 Bowman's Best. This is break number 518. We'll get all the cards into one stack. We'll separate the boxes by penny sleeve. That way we know when we're entering a new box. So, you need a drink. You need to grab a snack. You need to go to the bathroom. Now's the time because I'm going to be ripping for about 5 minutes probably. And I won't go through anything until they're all out. This will give you the overhead cam so you can watch better. So we got Skunk the Junk coming up in an hour and a half, 7 o'clock. Sign-ups open at 6 p.m. It's free to enter. Use a shot at winning prizes, no guarantees. Should be pretty fun. There's a post about it if you want more info. But the most important part, it's a free game show. Nothing to enter. The only catch is if you win any cards, they just go into your stack. It doesn't get you free shipping because I'd like to play the game on a regular basis. I don't know how often yet, but somewhat regularly. And it'd be really expensive. I'd lose quite a bit if I added free shipping on that. This one's going to be open to anybody. I plan to do some in the future. That's maybe only open to breakers, or some that's only open to people that have broke the previous day or the previous week or something. I'll be mixing up the ways to enter. We got a box of National Treasures that's filled, ready to break at 6:20. And there's one box open. For football, which is going really slow right now, there is a box of 2016 Panini Honors open and a box of 2017 Elite open. Tomorrow I have some of the new Gold Standard on the way and also Stadium Club for baseball. After Skunk the Junk, or maybe even after the National Treasures break, I'll pop up another baseball break. I've got some high tech. I've got some 2017 Finest. I've got one 2016 Immaculate baseball as possibilities. Also got a 2015 box of Bowman's Best. Sure, no problem, Abby. It's fun. It's a promotion for the room and for breaks. I mean, me and the rest of the admins, we want the room to be exciting. This one's just by me. I told my admins they could enter. I mean, we're honest people. There's no reason that they can't join in the fun. They aren't getting paid to be here. Let's get box 2 all out. Sean says continue that hot streak, and Shannon, let's go Rays. What's up with 2017 Finest? I mean, I know the price is shot up, but I've got 2 boxes on hand. I'm wondering if I need to return them. Try trade them in for something else. I posted the 2 boxes a couple days ago, and Sean was the only one in there. I don't blame him. Sean's hot. Hot as chicken grease right now. And now, if you're wondering, I've never used that term in my life until now. Alright, box. It's actually going to be box 1 when it's all said and done. The game is going to start at 7 p.m. Central. So, 1 hour and a half. And if you join and you're called upon as a contestant, you're going to have a minute to respond. If you don't respond, we'll just move on, and you're out of luck at that point. That's just the way we got to do it. Can't sit there waiting a long time. So it's no huge loss if you join and happen to not be able to make it. What kind of ball are you playing, Sean? Alright. Last box, and we're going to go through the stack. Should be 12 autographs in the break. And probably some coin flips. I think this is the set with the mirror image insert set. And I actually got a quarter this time. So probably going to be doing a handful of coin flips. Almost there. Well, I think, Sean, I'll have more soon. It should be fun, so I'm going to try to do it somewhat regularly. I got to see how much work it is before I commit to how often we'll do it. All right, now we are out. All cards out. One big stack. All right, good luck, everybody. And a penny sleeve for regular cards, penny sleeve for top-loaded cards. And we got rookie Michael Fulmer, Tigers, Yu Darvish, a Rangers. I gotta tell you now, I'm terrible with refractors. I don't see them like most of the time, so I could miss something here. Ian Anderson, Braves first hit right out of the gate. Mickey Moniak for the Philadelphia Phillies on card auto, 18 out of 99. Nice card for Sean Turtleman Shear. Wow, Sean. You need to go out and buy some lottery tickets. This dude swept our break earlier today. Hitting, or it was last night. Was it? I'm so lost. He hit Cowherkin Jr. He swept the 2016 Finest Fox. Nice hit, Sean. Hot streak remains. Mickey Moniak base card coming out after for the Phillies. Alex Bregman, Astros. David Dahl, Rockies. Anderson Espinoza, cracked ice for the Padres. Starling Marte, Pirates. Yankees, Dellin Betances. Zach Collins, White Sox. Mickey Moniak, Phillies. Dellin Betances, Yankees. Gary Sanchez, Yankees. Anthony Rizzo, Cubs. Followed by the beige version. I don't see it, guys. I don't know what it is. They're the same card to me. That one's got a little pink down there, maybe. So this one, the refractor, possibly. Anthony Rizzo, Cubs again. Mike Trout, Angels. Mirror image, Adam Jones, Kyle Lewis, Orioles versus Mariners. Lance Tucker and Jeff Berry. Going to be in that random. Or coin flip, anyway. Anthony Alford is our next hit on card auto for the Toronto Blue Jays. That one is going to Matthew Macy. All right, Mike Trout again. Phillies, Aaron Nola, rookie. Kyle Schwarber, rookie Cubs. Kenta Maeda, rookie Dodgers. Andres Galarraga for the Rockies, Bowman's best card. Aaron Nola, rookie Phillies. Felix Hernandez, Mariners. Cardinals, Alex Reyes. Corey Seager, Dodgers. Alex Bregman, Astros. Kyle Schwarber, rookie Cubs. Robinson Cano, Mariners. Rob Refsnyder, rookie Yankees. Luis Severino, rookie Yankees. Next hit is for the Pittsburgh Pirates. Elias Diaz, rookie on-card autograph. Gonna go to Matthew Macy. 2 in a row. Okay. All right, rookie Michael Fulmer for the Tigers. Corey Seager, rookie Dodgers. Yoenis Cespedes, Mets. Noah Syndergaard, Mets. Mirror image, Indians, Athletics, Andrew Miller, AJ Puke. Indians, Dustin Franco. Athletics, Joshua Morris will be a coin flip. Yu Darvish, Rangers. J.P. Crawford, Phillies. Rockies, Brendan Rodgers. Yankees, Gleyber Torres. Jake Arrieta, Cubs. Ian Anderson, Braves. Brewers, Corey Ray. Kyle Lewis, Mariners. Marlins, Ichiro. Next hit, I've been pulling the right spot. Padres, Cal Quantrill. This one is going to Ryan Cordova. Alright, this stack here is going to finish out box 1. Alex Bregman, Astros. Will Myers, Padres. Miguel Cabrera, Tigers. Manny Machado, Orioles. Anthony Alford for the Brewers is a Bowman's best insert. David Dahl, Rockies. Wilson Contreras, rookie Cubs. Jamison Talion, rookie Pirates. Blake Snell with the Rays. Mirror image, Cubs and Yankees, Brian McCann. Wilson Contreras, Lance Tucker, and Jamie Garza going to the coin flip there. And White Sox, Zach Collins finishes out box 1. Which means we now have box 2. Xander Bogaerts, Red Sox. Dae-Ho Lee, rookie, Mariners. Twins, Miguel Sano, rookie. Next hit is Mike Clevenger for the Cleveland Indians, rookie on-card autograph going to Dustin Franco. Freddie Freeman, Braves. Rays rookie Blake Snell, Francisco Lindor, Indians. Astros, Carlos Correa, mirror image, Justin Verlander, Riley Pint, Tigers, Rockies, Jeff Berry, and Joshua Morris going to the coin flip. Braves, Dansby, Swanson, Rafael Devers, Red Sox, Astros, Francis Martes, Sean Newcomb, Braves, mirror image, cracked ice, Adam Jones, Kyle Lewis, Orioles, Mariners, Jeff Berry, and Lance A. Tucker. Going to be doing that one. Bradley Zimmer for the Indians. Finished out that small stack. Jose Barrios, rookie Twins. Nomar Mazara, rookie Rangers. Jose Bautista, Blue Jays. Tim Anderson, a rookie on-card autograph is our next hit. This one for the Chicago White Sox. Going to Chris Saunders. Tim Anderson found his way to the hands of a fan. Riley Pint, Rockies, Austin Meadows, Pirates. Aaron Judge for the Yankees is next. That one going to Jamie Garza. Andrew Benintendi for the Red Sox. Sean Newcomb for the Braves. Bowman's best insert. Joshua Lowe for the Rays. Madison Bumgarner, Giants. Gary Sanchez, rookie, Yankees. Alex Reyes, Cardinals. Max Scherzer and Lucas Giolito, mirror image. That one, both of them, Nationals. Clayton Kershaw, Dodgers. Andrew McCutchen, Pirates. Trey Turner, a rookie for the Nationals. David Ortiz, Red Sox. Andrew Benintendi, on-card autograph for the Red Sox. This one will go to Lee Huskisson. Nice hit, Lee. Rockies, Nolan Arenado. Cubs, Ben Zobrist. Steven Strasburg, Nationals, Tim Anderson. Rookie White Sox, cracked ice. Chris Bryant, Cubs. Robinson Cano, ASG MVP, Mariners. Tyler Glasnow, Pirates. Manny Margot, Padres. Alex Kirilloff, Twins. Yohan Moncada, Red Sox. Rob Refsnyder, rookie, Yankees. Cal Quantrill, Padres. Chris Bryant, Cubs. All right. Mirror image, Mets, Tigers, Noah Syndergaard, Matt Manning. That one, Mets, Ryan Cordova, Tigers, Jeff Berry. Gonna have a random or a coin flip. Next hit is another Tim Anderson. This one a rookie on-card auto. One I think is the refractor, one is not. That one going to Christopher Saunders, doubling up. Yeah, thanks Matthew for filling them in there. Benintendi, nice card. Luis Severino, rookie, Yankees. Josh Donaldson, Blue Jays. Jose Altuve, Astros. John Gray, rookie, Rockies. Bryce Harper, Nationals. Nice insert for Justin Jenkins. Corey Seager, a rookie, Dodgers. Lucas Giolito, rookie, Nationals. Also Nationals, Max Scherzer. Braxton Garrett, Marlins. Clayton Kershaw, Dodgers. Yoenis Cespedes, Mets finishes out box number 2. Box number 3. We're going to start out with the hottest player in baseball. Aaron Judge for the Yankees, going to Jamie Garza. Andrew Benintendi, also for the Red Sox. Madison Bumgarner, Giants. And Yankees hit. It's not the one. It's Jorge Mateo on card auto. Hey, keep knocking that card over. That one going to Jamie Garza. Buster Posey for the Giants is next. Moving on, we have the Yankees, Gary Sanchez, a rookie card. Pirates, Andrew McCutchen, Trey Turner, rookie Nationals. Will Benson, Indians, cracked ice. Xander Bogaerts, Red Sox. David Ortiz, Red Sox. The Yankees and Red Sox have a lot of cards in this product, it seems. Ben Zobrist, Cubs. Steven Strasburg, Nationals. Julio Urias, Dodgers. Dae-Ho Lee, rookie, Mariners. Tyler Glasnow, Pirates. Manny Margot, Padres. Mirror Image, Jason Hayward and Corey Ray, Cubs and Brewers. Lance A. Tucker and Justin Jenkins. Gonna have a coin flip. The next hit is Will Craig for the Pirates. On card autograph. Gonna go to Matthew Macy. Number 3 for Matthew Macy. Miguel Sano, rookie, Twins. Also Twins, Alex Kirilloff, Padres, Cal Quantrill. Chris Bryant, Cubs. Jose Canseco for the Red Sox, Bowman's best insert. Rays, rookie, Blake Snell. Blue Jays, Josh Donaldson. Astros, Jose Altuve, Francisco Lindor, Indians. And this one, a blue, Will Craig for the Pirates, 168 out of 250. Francisco Lindor, Indians. Dodgers, Jose De Leon. Tigers, Matt Manning. Pirates, Will Craig. Next hit is Athletics, AJ Puck. I don't know. AJ Puk for the Oakland Athletics. Going to Joshua Morris. Kenta Maeda, rookie, Dodgers. Buster Posey, Giants. Xander Bogaerts, Red Sox. Mariners, Dae-Ho Lee, rookie. Mirror Image, Jose Altuve, Yohan Moncada. Astros and Red Sox is John Filbert and Lee Huskisson in a coin flip. Mariners, Felix Hernandez. Twins, rookie, Miguel Sano. Blake Snell, rookie. Rays, Indians, Francisco Lindor. Dansby Swanson for the Braves is next. Alex Reyes, Cardinals. Carlos Correa, Astros. Rafael Devers, Red Sox. This one a orange. Did I miss some color earlier? 14 of 35 for the Brewers on this one. Next hit, another one with the double up. Getting the regular and the refractor of Will Craig for the Pirates. Number 4 hit going to Matthew Macy. Nice break for you. Jose De Leon, Dodgers, Astros, Francis Martes. Jose Barrios, rookie, Twins, Nomar Mazara. A rookie, Rangers, Lucas Giolito, rookie, Bowman's best insert, Nationals. Matt Manning for the Tigers, Blue Jays, Jose Bautista. Austin Meadows, Pirates, Jameson Taillon, Pirates. Mirror Image, Christian Yelich and Alex Kirilloff. Marlins, Justin Jenkins, and Twins, Ryan Cordova, going to be on a coin flip. And finishing out the box is Will Craig, none other than. Alright, we're going to have to do these coin flip cards. Yell at you, Lee. Well, we had that Andrew Benintendi. I think that was it. Let's leave on this bottom card here. So it can stack easier. Alright, we'll go through the hits first, then we'll do the flips. We have Will Craig, on-card auto, AJ Puke, Athletics, another Will Craig, Jorge Mateo, Yankees, Tim Anderson, White Sox, Andrew Benintendi, or Red Sox. Tim Anderson, White Sox, Mike Clevenger, Indians, Cal Quantrill, Padres, Elias Diaz, Pirates, Anthony Alfaro, Blue Jays, and a Mickey Moniak, Phillies, number 299. Not bad. Alright, let me get penny sleeves on all these so I can handle them easier. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 flips. Alright, gonna go in order of pulled. We got MI10, MI16, MI4, 7, 9, 3, 12, 5, and 9. Alright, good luck everybody. Let's go through these. First card, left is heads, always right is tails. Orioles heads, Mariners tails. That one is tails. So Mariners get card number 9. Next up, Indians heads, Athletics tails. This next one is also tails. Going to the Athletics. Yankees Cubs. The Yankees are heads. Cubs are tails. Tails on fire. That one going to the Cubs. Next up, Tigers heads, Rockies tails. That one is heads. Going to the Tigers. This is the one going to Tigers. This one now, Orioles heads, Mariners tails. This one is heads. That one going to the Orioles. That's the cracked ice one. Good hit, Orioles. Mets heads, Tigers tails. That one is tails going to the Tigers. That one goes to the Tigers. Cubs head, Brewers tails. That one is heads. Going to the Cubs. 2 left. Astros heads, Red Sox tails. That one is heads. Going to the Astros. Marlins heads, Twins tails. Last card. That one is heads. Going to the Marlins. Alright, that's it for break number 518. Stay tuned, we'll have more tonight. I'm posting soon. We'll see you guys after a bit.